Welcome to this Vipassana meditation. Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed for the next 10 minutes. Now sit comfortably. You can sit on the floor or on a chair. Keep your back straight but not stiff. Now gently close your eyes and take a 2 deep breaths. Again, inhale and exhale. And please understand, there is nothing to change, nothing to achieve. Just be here and live each moment with awareness. Now, slowly bring your attention to your nose. Don't try to control your breathing. Don't try to breathe deeply. Just observe. Just observe your breathing. Notice the natural breath as it comes in and as it goes out. Sakyamuni Buddha says the first step of Vipassana is to observe your breath, to be aware of it. Now feel the coolness while inhaling and feel the peace while exhaling. If your mind wanders, and it will, don't judge yourself. Simply notice it. Simply observe it. And gently bring your attention back to the breath. Keep breathing, keep observing, and keep calming down. Now, slowly expand your awareness to the body. Start with the top of your head. Notice any sensation. It may be warmth, coolness, pressure, tingling, or maybe nothing at all. Whatever you feel, just observe. Move your attention gently to the face, the forehead, the eyes, the cheeks. Observe without liking or disliking. Now, slowly move to the neck, the shoulders, the arms, and down to the hands. If you feel any sensation, observe it. If you feel nothing, observe that too. In this world, nothing is permanent. Now, move your awareness to the chest, the stomach, the back, the legs, the knees, the feet. Now, from head to toe, observe the body as it is, just like scanning the body from head to toe. No reaction, no attachment, no overthinking, just awareness, just focus on my voice. Keep breathing, keep observing. As you observe sensation, notice one thing clearly. Every sensation arises and passed away. Nothing stays forever. Not pleasant sensation and not unpleasant sensation. Everything comes and goes. This is the truth of nature. So remain balanced, remain calm. Just observe, just understand. And always remember one thing. Happiness never comes to those who fail to appreciate what they already have. Now, bring your attention back to the breath. Inhale and exhale. Notice the calmness. Notice the clarity. Slowly bring your awareness back to the body and When you are ready, gently open your eyes. If you want more guided meditation videos like this, please leave a comment below. Thank you for meditating with me.